Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dejahkerr. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my corner of YouTube universe. I hope you enjoyed this video. And when you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my binge watchers. One hour fun. Subscribe now, okay? Today. And to my supporters, my consistent supporters, like the ones that always give me the thumbs up before they even watch the video. My die-hard, I love you guys so much. Okay, so today I'm here to call out everybody. Okay, today's video is all about the reasons you're here is being stagnant. Okay, I know it starts not growing, but we all know here grows. So let's get this video started. Okay, so let's dive right in. The first thing I want to say, that's a little disclaimer. Hair grows. The rate at which it grows may differ based on person to person, especially in terms of, your race and so forth like that. But all race hair grows. So stop being illiterate saying that your hair don't grow because you're black. I'm hoping that I'm not offending anybody because you guys are supposed to know this. Okay, I'm not sugarcoating anything. Stop saying ridiculous stuff like that. Okay, so the first reason why your hair is not retaining length is maybe because of those tight buns that you keep putting in your head. And you realize that you're having no edges and you still keep them in. Yeah. You can around. I'm telling you, like, you got alopecia around the edges, but really and truly you're not diagnosed with alopecia, but you have no edges and you're still catching up. What are you catching up? Fake or fantastic? Pull them down. Okay, the average time that you're supposed to keep in your buns, and I'm being generous, okay, is 3 days. And your ponytails 3 days. After that, pull them out. Make your hair breathe. Make your edges go like. Pull them out. Okay, so the second thing is I want to jump in is wash your hair utensils. When last you wash your brush and your comb? It's been years, right? I'm gonna need you guys to get some baking soda or some apple cider vinegar or some dishwashing liquid. Yeah, disinfect them, wash them. They're dirty. They're dirty. Some of you guys have this brush from parents and eye underneath and it's never been washed. Wash them. It affects you more than you think. Wash it. Cool? That's the second thing. The third reason is invest in your hair. When I say invest in your hair, use quality products, okay? Don't tell me say you wash your hair and then you put some Vaseline and you expect your hair to grow to your back. And you're going to say, oh, but when I was a child, that's what my grandma did, that's what my mother did. You're big and tough now, okay?
That me say.
Yeah. Invest in your hair. Buy quality products. And I'm not saying you're supposed to buy the most outrageous products. You can't even make your own products with there. That's natural. Okay? I'm not saying to go buy no Camille Rose, no Design Essential, no Male Organics, no Allicate Natural. None of those. I'm not saying you should go buy those. I'm not saying that. You gotta start somewhere. Especially if you don't got money like me and you attend school. You gotta start somewhere. I started with Cantu and I worked my way up. You know what I'm saying? Invest in your hair. Buy quality products. Stop washing your hair and then put ear on and then call it. What is that? Okay, so next reason is that you have no hair routine. You need a routine. Okay, say I wash my hair every 2 weeks. People still doing that. I wash my hair once a week. I'm just the messenger, okay? If you want to wash your hair every 2 weeks or you want to wash your hair every week, it's your business. But make sure that you wash your hair, okay? How about your routine? I wash my hair at this time. And when I wash my hair, I do this. I put in my leave-in, I put in my cream, and I seal with my oil, and then I do this. Have a routine. Don't be like, you wash your hair 3 months ago, and then you might wash it today, you might not. You might moisturize it today, you might not. It might look like Sahara Desert, it might not. Like, you need that hair routine. And as I said, your hair routine doesn't have to be no expensive thing. You can make your own. Buy cheap products. When I say cheap products, you have Cantu. That's not so expensive. You can divert in that. You have Pantene, which is now having a natural hair line. You know, companies are realizing that not everybody have money, so they're, you know, dollar curls. You have those type of companies that, you know, diverting in the less cashy type of products. You know, treat your hair once in a while. So develop a hair routine. Okay, every 2 weeks I do this. Every that, and it will grow. Your hair will grow. The next thing I want to touch on, protecting your hair, like putting in low manipulating hairstyles. And when I say low manipulating hairstyles, the braids are cute, the stuff like that, and you know, get you out of your hair, styles that won't have in your hair every day. They're cute, but don't be having them in for months, 6 months. What's it protecting? Huh? By this time, what's it protecting? What? Hair protect?
My hair is...
No, baby. The longest that you're supposed to have in a protective style is 2 months. I can't even go a month. But if you can go 2 months, that's the maximum. Pull out the braids. By now, it's a lock. You're becoming a Rasta, mama. Pull it out. Wash your hair. Breeze it for 2 weeks and you can go back. I'm sorry, but I won't sugarcoat anything because I know for a fact that some of these stuff that I'm mentioning, people have mentioned them to you guys already and y'all still not doing them. So I don't know. Maybe the bully. Make sure it's on the ear grow. Because I'm tired of people saying, oh, I like your hair is so nice. My hair can't do that.
But, oh.
Yes, your hair can. It just takes patience. Mama not patient, man. Then why you envy me with my hair then? Let's sit down and do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's 2020. We're getting our hair down here, baby. Okay? So that's the next thing. Okay, so the other reason is you guys are not shampooing your hair. You have some people be like, oh, I don't shampoo, I co-wash. No, your hair needs shampoo because the shampoo will lift up the buildup from off your scalp, allow your scalp to breathe and to produce, you know, new hair. Like, not new hair, but, you know, fresh hair. It's growing, baby. But if it have all the gunk caked up on it and it's not clean, it won't be able to breathe, it won't be able to grow. Shampoo your hair. You can buy sulfate-free shampoo, you can buy sulfate shampoo. Just make sure that you are not using too much sulfate shampoo because that is stripping. That strips your hair of everything. Good bacteria. I mean, the bacteria, the good oils, the bad oils, everything. Strip your hair of everything. It's just, I prefer to use those shampoos when you've just taken out a protective style after you pre-poo, because we already done a pre-poo video, right? I'll make sure that I link it down below. Everything about pre-poo. So after you pre-poo your hair out of a protective style, then you can go in with your sulfate shampoo and, you know, get rid of all the gels and edge control. Want to dab in it? Wash your hair. Shampoo your hair. Whether it's this week you once a month you're going to use a sulfate shampoo and the other 3 weeks you use a sulfate free shampoo, make sure that you wash your hair. Co-washing is cute, but at some point your hair needs to be cleaned properly. I'm not talk again because I know you guys understand. You guys comprehend the words that are coming out of my mouth. Cool? Okay, so the next reason is you are not balancing, you are not finding a balance between protein-based deep conditioners and moisturizing deep conditioners. We know that you should moisturize your deep condition your hair every wash day, but you cannot only use moisture base and forget about protein. You cannot use protein alone and forget about moisture. It has to have a balance. Protein-based deep conditioners tend to say strengthen, repair, and moisturizing shampoos moisturize, you know, bring back your coils, your curls, you know, stuff like that. They tend to say that. So find a balance between it. I usually alternate. So say for example, this week I use a protein base, the next week I'm going to use a moisture base. Okay, find a balance, but make sure that you deep condition your hair every wash day. Deep conditioning here, it makes a vast difference. To have that your hair to be moisture trained, it makes a vast difference. Some days you can miss moisturizing your hair because your hair already lacks in that moisture that it gets from the deep conditioner. Cool. The next reason that I'm going to touch on, put on the flat iron and the blow dryer. You cannot be doing that, putting heat on your hair every week, and some of you guys don't even use a heat protector. What are you doing? You're frying your hair. Dead hair don't grow. Don't retain length. Dead hair don't retain length. It's dead. It's dead. No. It dead. It take a back off. It dead. It dead. It fry. It dead. It dead. It dead. Like, stop doing that. Okay? I suggest that the only time you should put heat on your hair, you're using a heat protector, is like when you're trimming your hair or you're going to do a protective style, which is not every week or every month. You know, make a goal that, okay, for the year I will blow dry my hair or put heat on my hair, blow dry say 4 times, but flat iron 1 time a year. And I'm serious, like, cut it out. It doesn't help your hair. Your hair is going to be dead. Okay, so next reason, you are not protecting your hair at night. I've had a whole conversation to you guys about protecting your hair when you're going to bed, and stop sleeping on those cotton. I will not go in that again. Get yourself a bonnet, a silk bonnet or scarf, and protect your hair at night before you're going to bed. If you feel like you want to sleep, put it on. If you're in the house during this whole corona thing and you're not going anywhere, keep it on. Keep it on. Trap in the moisture in your hair. You ain't going nowhere, and nobody in the house haven't seen you in bonnet already. Keep it on. Okay? What you waiting on? Like, subscribe, and thumbs up the video, because I know you guys learned something. Cool? The last thing I want to touch on is to change up your product line. That is, if you see that you've been using a particular product line for 2-3 years and you haven't switched up, you haven't incorporated anything new in it, it might stop working for your hair. Just like anything else, your hair get used to it, and so it's not striving off it anymore. So I'd say, like, I have at least 2 to 3 product lines that you alternate in between, so that your hair don't get used to a particular line, because once you get used to it, it won't work for it no more. You guys know that, right? Once your body get used to something, it's just like it not working. Just like painkillers, if you live on a certain type of painkillers, you realize that, okay, I'm not feeling nothing no more, because your body get used to it. Okay, so change up your product line. So let's do a little recap, because I know for some strange reason some of you guys may have missed it, because you were so busy writing down what I'm saying. So let me do a little recap. So first thing is to get rid of the tight buns and ponytails every single day. They're not helping you. Low manipulation hairstyles. Your braids are cute and all that, but don't keep them in for 3 years, baby dear. By this time you're starting to lock your hair. Okay. The third thing is using quality products. As I said, Vaseline and water is not cutting it in 2020. Okay. Shampoo your hair, get rid of all the buildups and the gunk and the gut. Yes, the edge controls and the glues, and get rid of them. Shampoo your hair. When you deep condition your hair, find a balance between protein and moisture, because it makes no sense, baby dear. You might have protein overload or you might have a moisture overload, and both of those ain't cute. One dry out your hair and one make your hair sappy. Ain't cute. Have a routine. Stick to it. Reduce heat, the amount of heat that you put on your hair. Wash on your utensils, wash your brush them. Protect your hair at night. And change up your products. I think that's it. Yes, that is all the tips that I have for you guys on, retaining all the reasons why your hair may not be retaining length. If you're doing any of these and you see that, you know, your hair is not thriving or your hair is being stunted, as you guys call it, maybe you need to stop doing that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know for a fact that you guys, you know, learned something from it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with a friend, because over here we don't sugarcoat anything. We get to the truth real quick. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.